Hello, welcome to this quick tutorial video where I show you how to put your eBay listings on vacation mode, or what they call time away mode. So you're going out of town and you're not going to be able to ship anything, so what you want to do is enable this mode. So what you want to do is log into your eBay account like I've done here. You can do this both on desktop or mobile. Just request the desktop version of the site on mobile. It'll work exactly the same. And then once you're here, go to My eBay in the upper right-hand corner and just click on My eBay. Once you're here, you're going to see a couple of different tabs. You want to go to Account, so click on the Account tab there, and then scroll down to where you see Selling. And then under Selling in the options here, you're going to see something that says Time Away. Click into Time Away, and this is where you adjust how long and when you're going to be taking your vacation. So for scheduled time away, you can see here, none scheduled, we can go to Edit Time Away. So you want to pause sales for up to 30 days while you're away, and you can select a start and end time, or you can allow sales for up to 15 days when you're away. So what you're going to want to do is you can go to a start date, so we can select the date to be, say, Monday the 20th right here at, say, 6 a.m., and then the end date is going to be, let's say, Thursday. We're coming back the 23rd, and we're going to get back at 6 p.m. right here. Now, buyers can't purchase fixed price items from you, but they can still purchase auction items. Obviously, you'd have to cancel an auction item, so these are for buy it now items or store items in your eBay store only. So understanding that is very, very important. Now, the beauty of this is that if we go to apply and we apply that there, if we ever want to go here, you can always come back to your scheduled time, whether it be active or scheduled, and go to cancel time away, or edit if you're like, oh, I'm going to be gone an extra day, or I'm going to come back sooner. I can cancel time away, and then as you can see, all of your current items that are active will remain active, and nothing will be removed or taken away because of the mode. So you just go back into time away and you are good to go. If you have any questions, please put those in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this helped you out, and I'll see you guys in the next video.